so welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. Hope everything is good around you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order from the ChennaiHerbs.com. If you don't know what Chennai Herbs is a Tamil Nadu based herbal brand, unisex herbal brand. This is owned by Chennai Tamilachi Padmapriya. If you are from Tamil Nadu, you would know who she is. I actually thought of doing a video together like how to order, unboxing and first impression of the products, but since that video would be very long to watch, I thought I will do a separate video on how to order, and also in this video I will talk through about the products and how to order and all of these stuffs. So without any further ado, keep on watching. Brand on Instagram. I knew this brand actually a very long time ago. Recently, the owner Padmapriya came on Instagram live, and also one comment came saying that she had dark circles problem and what to do with it. For that, the owner Padmapriya replied with utmost honesty. She said that when it comes to dark circles, it has to deal with your lifestyle changes, which is very true. Guys, impressed by that honesty, I'm here in front of you ordering the Chennai Herbs products. By the way, this video is not at all sponsored. So grab a popcorn, a drink or a snack and let's shop together. So happy shopping! So first I'm going to log on to www.chennaiherbs.com. So this is how the homepage looks like. It has skincare. So looks like there is festival offer going on for this Diwali. Get 5% off on all our products. So they have given a little bit about their brand. They have said this is fresh for sure. All the products are manufactured from the freshest ingredients produced on Mother Earth. Chennai Herbs producers are produced from 100% natural materials and are completely free from synthetics, which is so good, which means free from paraben. It is 100% and made with love, honesty, we are sure. They have given that in the description itself. All the ingredients forming a part of a producers are promptly disclosed on the respective labels as well. They have also given the ingredients list in the website also. Let's go to the menu, products. We could see skincare, a face pack, a syrup, soaps, toner, aloe vera gel, hair care and dental care among us the categories. So let me click on the first category, which is the skincare. So they have spot correction cream, anti-acne cream, sandy ocean, a designer soap. Guys, look at this soap, guys. It looks like ocean from top angle. Wow. It looks like Marina from Lighthouse. It looks so good, guys. It looks so real actually. They also have aloe vera night cream, goat milk and potato soap. That's a rare combination. Neem and tulsi soap, Nalungu Mavu soap, aloe vera sandal soap, aloe day cream, spa mist toner, under eye roll-on serum, a lip serum, eyebrow serum, cocoa face pack, chocolate face pack and a calamine face pack. I also asked her in the Instagram live to suggest the products for oily skin type and she suggested the calamine face pack. So let's click on that. So this calamine face pack is originally priced at rupees 200, but since there is festival offer going on, it is priced at rupees 190. So let me read the description for you guys. It is 100% natural. Best suitable face pack for men and women. Can be used on all skin types. Net weight at 50 gram. It treats rash and itchiness. Controls excess oil. Protects from sunburn and UV rays and reduces acne and pimple. Relieves wrinkles and adds a soothing effect. Best for all skin types. So the direction of use is like take 1 spoonful of calamine face pack powder, mix it up with water or milk, make it a paste, and apply it on the face, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. You need to be using this face pack for 2 to 3 times a week for better results. Let me read the ingredients for you. It has just calamine clay and bentonite clay. I have a bentonite clay tub separately from the brand called VedaOils.com. This one is a mix of calamine clay and bentonite clay. Guys, do you remember lactocalamine? If you are a 90s kid, so you would know what I'm talking about, lactocalamine. This one reminds me of lactocalamine. Okay, so let me put this to cart. So what else can we order? There are a lot of soaps from this brand like Nalungu Mavu soap, Neem Tulsi soap, sandal soap, Should I get a soap? I already have a lot of soaps at home. No soaps for now. So what else can we order? There's a Spa Mist Toner. Oh, my favorite. Lip serum. I haven't used it, but anything that has to do with lips is my favorite. So this one is a lip serum 10 ml. I actually went to the website. You know guys, when she was on live, she told us ask any questions, shoot your questions. And I went to the website and saw this serum, and this one I have only 3 ingredients to it, and that's why I asked her, because usually lip serums has a lot of ingredients, has a list of ingredients. It definitely does not come with just 3 ingredients, but this one, since this is an herbal product, this comes with just 3 ingredients, which I am really excited to use it. The ingredients are beetroot, honey extracts and glycerin, guys. That's it. I guess glycerin would be the base of the lip serum, and they have added beetroot and honey extracts to it. Let me read the benefits. Heals damaged lips, adds moisture and softens the lips, gently exfoliates and lightens dark lips, edible, no chemicals. Wow guys, I have never seen a lip balm that says edible. This is so pure guys. Oh my god, I'm impressed. This is edible, which means this does not add any chemicals to it. Wow. Direction for use: apply required amount of the serum on lips and massage for a few seconds. Use it 3 to 4 times per day to see visible changes in months' time. Upon regular usage, you will love the result for sure. In that live when she was answering for my question, and one of the viewers commented that she used the lip serum and she's totally in love with it. This comes in a roll-on bottle, which I'm again very excited for. So okay, let me add this to cart. There's also cocoa face pack. Interesting, but I use the Hershey's cocoa powder, the unsweetened version. Guys, do you like these kinds of videos to come shopping with me? She had mentioned herbal bath powders in her Instagram live. I'm searching for that. Toner, they have the spa toner, aloe vera gel, hair care, and care. Where is the bath powder? Let me search for it. Yeah, herbal bath powder. 100% natural, best suited herbal bath powder for men and women, can be used on all skin types. Includes a free biodegradable wooden spoon, and it is 200 grams of the product. Chai Herbs herbal bath powders enriched with 22 plus herbs based on Ayurvedic components for healthy spotless skin. Let's add this to cart. So many of you don't know how to use the bath powder, so let me read the directions for use for you guys. Take required amount of bath powder in a bowl, add water or rice soaked water, that is, what do you call, rice water. Rice water for better results. Mix herbal bath paste thoroughly without any clumps. Apply this paste all over the body with hands, preferably scrubber, and massage. Leave for 5 minutes and rinse with water. Repeat this procedure in your daily routine. My mom and me actually prepare our own bath powders at home. But let me use this one and tell you guys how it works. Do they have a vetiver scrub on the website? Let me search for that scrub. Oh, they don't have any scrubs. I mean the vetiver scrub. The vetiver loofah. They don't have that. Okay, what else is there? Let's go to hair care. But I already have a lot of oils and lot of hair mask. This brand is exciting guys, making me to order more and more. They have shikakai shampoo, hair oil and hair mask. Let me click on the hair mask and see what are the ingredients in it. So they have added, oh my god, there are a lot of ingredients guys. They have shikakai, arapil, vetiver and nannari auri. Few of these names I have never heard of guys. Spanish cherry, hibiscus avarampu rose, gooseberry, tandri, lemon, devdar, kadukai, பூலான்கிழங்கு, கூரைக்கிழங்கு, போச்சிக்காய், tulsi, almond, கரிசலாங்கண்ணி, green gram, rice, fenugreek, green seaweed, curry leaves, scotch grass, henna, neem leaves, hibiscus leaves, basil, lavanga patri, paduthalai, vilva leaves. So there are a lot of ingredients in it, but I already have a lot of hair mask at home. Should I try this one? This has 30 plus herbs, making it highly effective against hair related problems. This hair pack with herbs has a higher concentration of nutrients that deep conditions the damaged hair. They have said oil your hair 1 hour before shower time. Wash your hair with mild shampoo or shikakai and remove excess water since grease-free hair absorbs more nutrients. Add water to the hair mask powder. For better results, use curd or egg white instead. Apply this paste to scalp and hair length. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. That's a quick one. Rinse with the lukewarm water and repeat this procedure twice a week for better results. Guys, this is actually interesting. I was not in a plan to buy this one, but so this is like a process. You will need to oil your hair 1 hour before shampoo, then take head bath. After that, apply this paste on your scalp and hair. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and wash it off again with just water. Don't need to use a shampoo or shikakai for washing this mask off. So that's what it is said. By the way guys, I did not have this on my mind at all. But now, after going through the ingredient list, I'm kind of excited and I'm gonna add this to cart. Oh my god. This is how shopping goes, isn't it guys? So in the dental care category, they have a teeth whitener, which is 50 gram, priced at rupees 100 actually. They have given only description, benefits and directions to use. There is no ingredient list given on the website, but I'm sure there will be ingredient list given at the back of the packaging or on the tub itself. This is a teeth whitener. I guess this would be a carbon or teeth whitener. I'm not planning to get this right now. Okay, let's see what's in our cart. We have a calamine face pack, we have lip serum, herbal bath powder, and we have a hair mask. What's the total? 847. Oh my god. And the shipping is 60 rupees. The subtotal is 787 and the shipping is 60 rupees, which brings me to the total of 847. I guess this is enough. I guess we are finished going through all of their products. And now let me switch off the screen recording and do my checkout and be right back. So guys, I finished my payment. I finished ordering the products. So I believe there is no cash on delivery option available right now on the website. There's only like card payments available. This is like a Diwali gift from me to myself for a nice self-pampering routine. When I receive the products, I will put up another video on unboxing of the products and first impression of the Chennai Herbs products. So wait for that video. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.